Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to auto-sync videos on TikTok. So for that we have to go to our TikTok app, then click to the plus icon, then go ahead and click on upload, and here you have to select your videos that you want to be auto-synced. So I will choose this one and this one. Then click next. Then you have to click right here on adjust clip, and then here you will see a feature that is auto sync. So go ahead and click that, then click done. So now you have to click next and your video is ready to go. And now you can post like you usually do, describe your videos. And then click post. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.